Wow. Sipag, oh. Look at that. So sipag.
And straight.
Okay. Good job. Sipag, oh. Not too much, huh?
I'm clean. Can you clean the hole?
Okay.
Can you clean the hole?
Okay.
That's why I'm putting sprayer everywhere.
Okay. That's enough.